Hello, how are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
Good. My name is Paul. What is your name?
I'm Sultan from Saudi Arabia. Where are you from?
My home country is Scotland.
Okay.
I no longer stay in Scotland. My wife and I left about 5 years ago, and we now stay in a small country called Bulgaria.
Bulgaria, right?
Yeah, yes, we border with Turkey and Greece, so the very south of Europe.
Okay, okay. So, which language do they speak?
Oh, they speak Bulgarian.
Bulgarian.
Yes,
Okay,
it's very similar to Russian.
okay, okay.
Very difficult to learn. We've been trying to learn for 5 years now, and I my wife is better than me, but I cannot have conversation yet. Um,
Okay.
I can ask for things in the store, and I can ask for coffee in a restaurant, but that's about it.
Hmm.
Very difficult to learn. Very difficult. Okay, so how old are you? What is your age?
I'm 34.
You're 34. I'm a lot older than you. I am 48.
Okay,
Um,
good.
so you teach English. So if you
Exactly.
teach English, why are you on Cambly?
Just to hone my skills,
Ah,
language skills. That's all.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So where did you learn English? Did you learn English at high school in Pakistan?
English is, you can say, the mandatory subject
Hmm?
in all the classes. And then I also took admission in an English language center. I finished 6 months course
Hmm.
and then I started teaching English.
Okay. I would bet money that you make better salary than I do. Um,
So you are also teaching English there in Bulgaria?
on Cambly, this is it. This is my full-time job now.
And before Corona?
Mm. I am I have many trades actually. I am a plumber, a central heating engineer, and a gas service engineer. Um,
Okay.
and I was also a teacher in engineering college in Scotland.
So why did you choose to come to Bulgaria?
Mm. Because it's cheap. It's cheap. It's much cheaper than United Kingdom. So I mean, you've been in Saudi for a little over a year. So what do you like
Yes,
to do with free time? I think this year is it's been very strange for everyone. So you went to Saudi Arabia. You probably weren't expecting coronavirus like everyone else.
exactly.
So your
Yes.
first year has been very different to what you would normally do. Um,
Yes.
so what do you do? What do you like to do with free time?
Actually, I have a lot of activities to do.
Hmm.
For example, in the previous situation, I completed an Arabic language course for beginners.
Hmm.
Then I also took admission in a gym, and these days I am learning how to do online business.
Okay, wow. So you're a busy man.
Yes.
How did you get on with Arabic? Because my student, the one I speak to today, he is a clinical
Mhm.
pharmacist, and his English is
Okay.
very good. But he
Wow.
has said some Arabic to me because he knows that I don't understand. So well done. I mean, it's that's a
Thank
lot of
you.
achievement. Um, so in Pakistan, what is the language you speak in Pakistan? Is it actually Pakistani you speak?
No, not Pakistani. It's Urdu.
Okay,
Urdu.
Urdu.
And the alphabets, yes, alphabets are similar to the alphabets of Arabic.
Okay, so that's good for
They
you.
are same, yes.
Yeah,
But the thing is that it is written in a different manner.
right. Okay, okay. So I mean, really, you've to think of your personal achievements. I mean, you're 34 years old. You
Mhm.
made a decision to leave Pakistan and move to Saudi Arabia. Big decision.
Yeah.
Um, you obviously are very fluent in Urdu, so you know your own language. You're very fluent in
Yes.
English. You have learned chunks. I'm not going to say all of it, obviously, but you've learned chunks of
Yeah.
Arabic, which you can understand some of it. Um, I, I
Yes.
think you're doing okay. You know, I mean, we only have one brain, right? And sometimes, I mean, for me, it takes me forever to learn anything new.